My name is Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. Today we'll talk about one of the most useful mini project for beginners, the to-do list app. This app helps you manage your daily tasks in one place, whether it's homework, project, deadlines, reminders, or personal goals. You can organize everything clearly and check them one of them you're done. Like improve the management skills, celebrate your progress, keep you organized. In this app, you can add task, view all task, mark task as completed, and delete a task. This is the complete code for the to-do list app using Python. Here we can check the code. Firstly, we import the JSON file here. Import OS. You can give the file name equal to task.json. Depth load task. Using the function, we can return the load of false value. Here, to-do list app taken 5 options. Option 1 is view task. Option 2 is add task. Option 3 is mark task as completed. Option 4 is delete task. And option 5 is exit task. If we go through this process again and again, we can declare the 5 times. Option 1 is view task. We can write the code for view task. We can give def add function and view task. Try task name equal to int input, enter the number to view or delete. If 0 less than or equal to task number less than or equal length of task, task.pop equal to task number. Save task is called task, print task deleted, else or print invalid task number, else accept value error, print please enter a valid number. This kind of process happens every time. This is a main step in using a main loop. We can use while true. After this process are completed again and again and again, we'll go to the output. We click the output, we get some read and write functions. Here def task are task read, write, append. This is a complete code for the to-do list app using Python. Task number, else, main loop, show menu. If choice is 1, view task. Choice is 2, add task. If choice is 3, menu task. Option 4, delete. Option 5 is goodbye. Let's consider the output. We have 5 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose an option 1. We can choose option 2. That means add task. It can ask please enter the task. I can give complete the project or coding tomorrow. That's it. Task is added. Now we can go option 1 to 5. You can click option 2, task add. You can give like homework. That is task added. When you ask us to choose option 1 to 5, we can click option 3. You can mark as done. You can coding. That's it. Mark as done. We can give option 4 here. Option 4 we get 1 to 4. You can give option 1, 2. This means invalid task. We get 5 task 1 to 5. We give 4. That means delete task. This is the process of complete to-do list app using Python. You can give 5 exit. That means task is ended and we get the message like goodbye. The simple to-do list app Python app.
A few moments
That's it, guys.
later.
Looks, we done it easily. This simple task. What is to-do list project in Python? Advantages are stay organized, boost productivity, track task easily. There are 4 types of to-do list apps. master to-do list, daily, weekly, and project-based to-do list app. How can your to-do list help you? It can help you prioritize, keep you organized, help you track your life. It is used for business, creators, homes, and students. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech with Vijay. Thank you guys. Bye.